Hey everybody, this is Linda with the Southern Shade Gardener, and I'm gardening in Zone 7B in North Carolina. And today I am going to get into one half of my front bed, and this is actually a moon garden that looks great when it's blooming, but right now of course everything has gone away because it's in almost the middle of November. So we're going to put down a few plants this morning, and one of them, just to go over them quickly, is going to be this Sugartina crystallina plant. It is actually it's a Summersweet shrub. It doesn't get that big. It's about 2 feet tall by 2 to 3 feet wide. It actually says 4 feet wide, but I don't think it's going to get that wide in this garden because it's quite heavily shaded. But the cool thing is these little spires here, they throw off the most amazing smell, and it says by the front door, so I thought that would be kind of cool. So that is going to go here. I'm not a fan of pansies because they stretch too much because I don't have the sun, but these are actually little violas. They're white, so they will be perfect to get me through the winter until I put some other stuff in here. Anyway, that's what's going in. So this corner right here, I have tried everything in the world and nothing grows there. It's just too dark and like murky. So I have this little bird bath with a birdhouse on it, which I'm going to lose, but the bird bath is going to go in this corner. And then this was or is a Proven Winners pineapple sage, which did beautifully. Over here didn't bloom because this is very, very shady over here, but that's going to go out, and that's actually, I think we're going to put that crystallina. And then this Empress Wood's going to get trimmed back a little bit. This Nandina has been here forever. It will eventually come out. Lamium's going to get kind of moved around, cleaned up a little bit. And then back here, I put in this ghost fern. I'm not too sure why I did. Actually, I think that's yeah, it's a ghost fern. It's the crested surf because I can see the little tips on it. I don't know if you can tell or not. But crested surf, where is it? They have these little like tufty things on the top. That's a terrible view. Whatever. Anyway, I think that's crested surf. Anyhow. So I'm going to dig that up and move it forward because it doesn't belong back there. And then of course I have my hydrangea right there from Proven Winners. That's going to stay. And then another Nandina that's going to stay. So that's the plan for right now, just for this little garden. And we'll set it up and let's get going. So we are back. This is the next day. After I stopped filming yesterday, I went ahead and planted in a few things extra. These are this is a mouse ear hosta, and then these are the violas. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whoops, 4. So we have that, and then the Shadowland Hudson Bay, and I'm going to put a picture up to show you what it looks like. I try to put pictures up so you can kind of get an idea of what these things are going to look like once they get going. And then checking to make sure that my drip irrigation is actually hitting every plant, which it is. So that is good. It just needs to hit the outside of the root ball. And that's it for this garden. And I did not completely fill it with mulch because this is going on the second week of November, and we're going to have a million leaves because I have a very heavily wooded lot. So this was just for the video, so it looked nice. But anyway, that's the entirety of the video. I knocked over my bucket. And oh yeah, I will tell you this much. So in this corner, this has always been a problem corner because it's kind of low and it's stagnant in summer. So I bought this very large planter, and I actually have in the backyard ready to go a 2-gallon Proven Winners Fairy Trail Bride Hydrangea, which I hope looks good and will flourish here. I'm hoping because it's lifted up off the ground that the sun will kind of come through and hit everything. But I don't know till next spring anyway. So, but I'm going to do that in another video. So that is it for this little project. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a great one. Bye.